Today, I'm going to be showing you why you should stop always aligning your rhymes perfectly in time. And this lesson mainly applies to more experienced rappers. If you're new to rapping, then you should certainly be focusing on aligning your rhymes in time correctly. And this is what gives your rhyme structure and allows the listener to follow along to it and make sense of it. For an example, I'm about to rap 2 bars and notice how I land rap and cap on the 4th beat of each bar. And the instrumental I'll be rapping over today is a beat that I produced called Drowning. If you like this instrumental and want to support the channel, I'll post a link to it in the video's description below. I got some techniques that you can use to rap, and I'm giving it away for free. There's no fee, that's no cap. Now this sounds totally fine, and it's a great example of perfectly structured rhymes. But as you advance in rapping, you need to give yourself more freedom on how you choose to structure your rhymes. And this will cause your rhymes to be less predictable and your overall rap just more dynamic. For example, I'm about to rhyme on the 4th beat of the 1st bar and then on the 3rd beat of the 2nd bar. I got some techniques that you can use to rap, and I'm giving it away for free, that's no cap. Now these rhymes sound perfectly fine as well, but they feel different due to them not landing on the same beat of each bar. Now let's push this concept to the extreme, and I'm going to place my rhyme on the 4th beat of bar 1, and then I'm not going to rhyme with it at all on bar 2, because I'm going to place the rhyme on beat 1 of bar 3. And one of the keys to pulling such a drastic move off is by using internal rhymes to give the listener a payoff before completing a rhyme scheme with such a large gap in between both rhymes. In this example, I use this exact technique by creating an internal rhyme on bar 2 with the words free, fee, and deed. I got some techniques that you can use to rap, and I'm giving it away for free. There's no fee, yes indeed, that's no cap. Now, just for funsies, let's reverse our last 2 techniques. Instead of rhyming on beat 4 of bar 1 and then beat 3 of bar 2, I'm going to rhyme on beat 3 of bar 1 and beat 4 of bar 2. I got some techniques for rap, and plus, I'm giving it away for free. There's no fee, that's no cap. And let's reverse the most extreme example, and instead of rhyming on the 4th beat of bar 1 and the 1st beat of bar 3, I'm going to rhyme on the 1st beat of bar 1 and the 2nd half of beat 4 of bar 2. Rap techniques is what I teach. No BS, I can't stress enough, man, this ain't no cap. Not only does shifting your rhymes give your raps more dynamics, it just gives you so much more flexibility to express what you're really trying to say. Oftentimes, rappers will take too many words out of their bars because they're trying to make their rhymes land in a certain place, and it causes their words to lose meaning, the phrasing of it to feel unnatural and just not make sense anymore. You can't always convey exactly what you're trying to say when you box yourself into a rhyme scheme structure this way. Bars. And also, playing around with shifting your rhymes can give your raps just a more gritty, unpolished, and just more of a human feel and sound. So please keep structuring your rhyme schemes perfectly, but also play around with shifting the placement of your rhyme schemes as well. My name is Cole Mize with ColeMizeStudios.com, where I strive to make you a better rapper now. And if you're trying to perfect your rap skills, make sure that you get yourself a free copy of my ebook, The #1 Fundamental to Rapping, via the link in the video's description below, and subscribe to this channel for more straight to the point, no BS, how to rap video tutorials just like this one. And always remember, when it comes to rapping, there's no rules, there's only techniques. Peace. Hey man, you see that subscribe button right there? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Oh, and don't forget the bell icon. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. Hey, I know you see that like button, right? Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it. And look at yourself in the mirror and tell yourself, today I'm gonna kill it, kill it.